100% average.
Hi, welcome to my home. This channel's going to be mainly food focused, so if you don't like eating, get out of here. All jokes aside, I love my food and I love to cook. But I don't think it should be something that's a chore or expensive. So I would like to share some meals with you that can save you some money and save you some time, which also happen to be delicious. I may also do different things down the line here and there, but it's mostly just going to focus on cooking. So if that's something that interests you, please stay tuned for more videos. I'll be uploading about twice a week. I've been 100% average, thanks for watching, and catch you later.
100%